So I made the world's first phone clamp from popsicle sticks, but then came to a realization that the phone clamp is useless on its own, which is why I'm making the standing part of the phone stand, and I think I might have over-engineered it. So go get an unholy amount of popsicle sticks and let's get started. Off camera, I connected these joints together, which fold and give the phone stand its compact form. The light got too hot, so I stuck some foil tape to dissipate the heat, connected the lights cable to the side of the phone stand, and gave the clamp a full range of motion. Since we're done making the clamp, let's test it out. And as you can see, the base is very stiff, strong, and very reliable. But I can't help but wonder if it can stand by itself on the ground. Well, my first solution was to take 3 popsicle sticks and screw them in place in the base. And when I went to test it out, well, in its compact form, it barely stood by itself. And in its extended form, well, it just collapsed. What a disappointment. I then came up with an idea to just get a square-shaped plank and just clamp the stand to the plank. And the results were just what I needed. The phone stand stood firmly and didn't disappoint and was able to withstand some light pushes. And it also still works with the phone on it. Now the way I'll be using it is that I'll be using it in this configuration to film short form content and this way to film long form videos. Now if you've made it this far, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot and motivates me to post more. And well, I'll see you in the next one.